Hello friends, and welcome to this video as we look at functions in Excel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use the COUNTBLANK function. My name is Mercy Consolata Kelo. Let's get started. The COUNTBLANK function in Excel allows you to count all empty cells in any given range. Let's take a look at this. So if you have a cell here that you want your value to appear, just come over and press equals, then COUNTBLANK, select that, and then you provide a range. So we're going with this. Close the brackets, press enter, equals to 1. So in the entire column range that we have provided, there is one blank cell that is at A22. And you can do the same for a wider range. So you can provide the entire table, for example, using COUNTBLANK. And then we pass this range, close the brackets, press enter. You have 5. So where this 5, still A22, A22, B22, C22, D22, and E22. So that has been it for this video. If you've enjoyed the content, please give the video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so that you're updated on new videos once they're released. Thank you and happy learning.